Oh, this is a
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I gotta like that. Always.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Francine Hughley. Sorry about the lighting, y'all. It's kind of cloudy outside, and I still haven't got the lighting right on this camera, so I'm still trying to just, you know, play around with it. But yeah, welcome back to the channel. But yeah, if you guys are new here, my name is Francine. You call me Franny, whatever you want, girl. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, y'all. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every single time that I upload. I just got my hair in a bun right now, y'all. I'm actually about to put some doodle braids in it and throw on this wig, girl, because I gotta be out here, gotta be out on the road to Miami in 45 minutes. Why am I always running late? Oh my god. So I got some pajama shorts and a sports bra, and then just packing my bag. This is the bag I'm gonna be carrying. It's just like a cute little Adidas bag. Then my beach bag right there. Touchscreen cancel. And then I'm wearing her today, y'all. Just this Eunice black hair. I'm wearing her today. Oh, what the hell? Oh my god, everything falling down. Anyways, yeah, y'all. So I'm just about to throw on this wig and probably throw on like a beach. Or going to the beach first for a few hours, and then we're gonna do like dinner later. It's for my friend's birthday. Y'all, I hate this lighting so bad. My nipples are itching on this one. Girl, listen, I just got this swimsuit 2 days ago from Amazon. I was in a rush because I really needed to find one, so I found one, and it's okay, but girl, my nipples are itching. Probably should have washed it, but I ain't have time. Well, I'm just about to glue down this lace honey. Alright guys, so this is basically how the swimsuit look. Shoes not that cute, but whatever. But yeah, this is like a 60 or 70 style. I don't know, I'm not sure. But yeah, I got it from Amazon if anybody interested. And I just did my hair in like this, you know, swoop thing. And I have a cover that I'm gonna put over this, obviously, and I'm gonna show y'all how that looks. Alright guys, so this is how it looks with like the cover. Real cute. So yeah. Alright y'all, so I'm about to get on this road, so I'll just catch y'all in the car once I'm like, you know, on the road and stuff. Alright y'all, so I finally touched down at my friend's house. Everybody's just getting ready and everything, but y'all, let me show you this view at her apartment. It looks so nice. Like, hold on. When I say hi to my vlog, Terry, no, you can see yourself. Oh, this is a oh. I'm so sorry.
Oh, lipstick on you? Oh no.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Now you gotta read. Hi to the birthday girl. Say hi, Carrie.
Hello.
Okay. This is Michelle. Say hi.
Hello.
She's like hi. She gotta say hi.
This is so funny.
Look, y'all, this is Michelle.
That's Michelle.
Look at her. And this is Laura.
Hi.
Oh my god, I be mixing them up. That's embarrassing. Like, what the fuck is wrong with me? Alright, you guys, so we're gonna go take Carrie's picture. Say hi. Say hi.
I usually put it on my phone. Okay.
They better be. Y'all look at her baby.
Everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause Cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate.
Alright, you guys, so we finally made it to the beach. We about to go, girl. We have to go to the water now, ciao. Oh shit, I think it's too white. What y'all doing? What happened?
I used to take myself out on dates. Open my own.
We made it, y'all. Finally, it was an adventure, child. It was an adventure.
5:55. Alright, somebody give me a song to play.
That's cute. Alright, y'all, so we are ready. Well, we're almost about ready, and we're about to head to the restaurant. I feel like I've got a horse. I don't know why. Alright, oh, I'm sorry. Let me show you. Let me show you my outfit real quick.
My edges are nice.
Alright, let me show y'all what I'm wearing. Alright, so I got this top from shit, where did I get this from? AliExpress. It has like this cute little bow thingy and it's one shoulder, whatever you want to call it. And I got the black slacks on, and then I just got these wedges on, y'all, and my toes are not done. So here's what it looks like. Just simple, and my hair is the same. Alright. It's so big, y'all. So they don't have menus, so we gotta scan. I don't know if y'all can hear me. We gotta scan this thing right here.
I mean, it would have been cool.
We have to scan that to order.
And that bartender came out so quick to tell us about the currency. I got right now. Just the lettuce. It looks good.
This is so basic.
And anybody want some ravioli?
Oh, baby. Everybody is on their phone. That's crazy. What you got, Natalie?
You're hot.
You're hot?
I'm
gonna say it's cold as fuck. It is.
No, chilly.
Yeah, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be.
That's cute.
No, that's Spanish. It's sunday. But there's like baby. No, but it's like some like.
Hello. You're gonna be on YouTube. Alright, guys, so we basically just made it back from dinner. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning, so we about to just chill for a little bit and just like, what the fuck is that? we about to just chill for a little bit, then take our ass to bed. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Peace.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate.